Good morning to all my subscribers. This is my next project. My daughter moved in her own small flat, and she bought this piece of wood and some legs, some these wooden legs. So I need to fix the legs and the bottom here of the wood here. I'm gonna put it there. Normally what you would do it is like put the extra piece of wood underneath a square between the legs just to make it more sturdy. If you put something heavy it doesn't bend. But today I'm not gonna go that route. I'm just gonna do a quick job here. I thought about drilling holes in the top here and then fix the legs and the bottoms here. Then I thought, no, I don't want to make holes in the top. I bought this metal plates. I'm going to put it there. And then I'm going to fasten this leg onto here. And then just drill holes in the bottom here. Fasten this and then fasten this thing on the bottom here. That's going to be easier. Then you can remove it, or then if you want to, I need to put it on my car to take it that side. So I'm then going to reassemble it quickly and then kind of easy to put it back that side. Okay, then first thing is first. First I have to figure out which way this stuff goes around, and then I'm gonna mark this thing here, drill holes. I'm just gonna take the burrs off here quickly, and then I'm gonna fasten here, drill, and then countersink all the holes for the screws to be flush. And then I'm gonna take the sander. I'm gonna sand this thing a little bit to make it a little bit smooth, and then I'm finished. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this project with me and watch what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to measure this thing here. Measure mark them. Okay, now I'm gonna make a hole there, one there, one there. I think we must like in here, maybe put one in the middle, or like in each corner. Let's make it 4. We're gonna make 4 holes here. Make 4 holes. I'm going to use this as a template and then just mark that once and do the same with that. Okay, now you take your vernier and just on that mark to have those things the right space. And then you're going to punch them and you're going to drill it. Okay, now you punch it. You just want to put one in the corner. That's it. Now we're gonna drill it. I used the previous one just for a template, and I put the other one in the bottom. Then I clamp it, and then you can use it to drill it in the same place. And make sure you always use the same template, just mark it. If you use this one, you drill this one, you drill that one, that one, that one, then you're just adding a fold every time, then the whole thing goes skew. So always use the same reference. That is very important. Okay, now I finished with all the holes, but here's like a very sharp edges. I'm just going to deburr all of them, and then I'm going to countersink the right places. Okay, now I'm going to decide which one's the top and the bottom, and then I'm going to for first do the deburrs from the top for the screws under the tabletop that doesn't stick out and doesn't go flash. As you see, I'm somewhere using a big drill. That works. It works better for me, like this countersinks drill. But this one's going to be on the bottom side. Okay, this is a finished product of one unit. I'm just going to do the rest of it. Okay, now we need to get the center of this. Get yourself a black pen. Make a mark here. And then you're gonna drill a hole just to start in the center. Otherwise, you won't be able to put this thing nice in the middle here, because it's difficult to go and figure out where this thing in the middle when you drill on the top. So I'm first gonna put one in the top like this, and then drill a hole there, pilot, I'll put it in, and then I'm gonna adjust it, and then I'm gonna do the rest of it. It's gonna be easy. Now I have to first drill a hole nice in the middle here. And now we're gonna go and we just center this thing nicely. We suppose it's gonna be in the corner. So now you can adjust it and then put the other three holes in. Very easy. Let's put it here. Okay, there's your leg now with the stuff, and then just gonna put underneath, and I'm just gonna fasten it, and then it's finished. Chop chop. Right, all these 4 legs are finished now. You can see here they lie here with all those screws, and they all look the same. I'm gonna first go and just sand this piece of wood, and then I'm gonna, or first maybe go and put it underneath, screw it. I need to loosen it anyway, and to put it to transport it in my car. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I'm gonna sand this thing a little bit. Okay, now I'm finished. Now I'm just gonna fasten this. I'm gonna put these things on the corner here, but I think I'm just gonna put a little bit inside, but you can't see the things, the metal from the sides. I think I'm just gonna mark here. Then we're gonna take a piece of wood to mark it like this. Then it's nice, and then I'm just gonna fasten it there. Get my screwdriver and connect it there. Okay, now put the right screws here. It's not too deep. Just use it like this. This one here. This one here. That's it. I think this is nice. I just have to do the other corners. Then our table is finished. That's it. There's the whole table finished with all the legs on. I'm just gonna quickly get my screw machine and just clean this nice. Okay, here's the finished product. Nice table. I think use it for a TV or something. Doesn't look too bad. If the weight is too heavy in the middle, we can always put a little small piece of wood in the middle, so that just to suspend it a little bit. But I think that is nice. Not too bad. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Till next time, cheers.